Welcome to StormQuant's Weather Viewer tutorial number 3, where we will focus on navigating the radar volume control menu. When a new viewport loads, you will notice the radar volume control menu at the bottom of the screen. The radar names and radar types will be displayed. To the right of the radar type are rectangles representing each radar volume available. The light blue boxes represent the volumes which are currently being displayed on the screen. To the left of the radar names are icons, which can be selected to turn the data from that radar on or off. The button on the top left of the volume control menu will minimize the box to allow for greater map space while still showing the UTC time represented by the moving white bar. The next is a gear icon button, which provides options to switch between live and historic modes or to adjust the playback speed of the data. The next option is the play button, which will start the time bar moving and display data on the screen corresponding to the radar volume times. Notice the playback will end when the time bar reaches the most recent volumes at the end of the menu. The next button is the looping option, which will allow for continuous looping of the data. Please note, if you are in live mode, new data from the radars will load automatically when received. The next button in the menu allows you to reduce or expand the duration of the data you desire to see on the screen. Place the cursor on the selector bar and drag left or right to change the time. Select Confirm, and the duration of displayed data will adjust accordingly. Selecting the last button on the menu will move the time bar to the most recent available volume and display the data in the viewport. We appreciate you joining us. Thank you for taking the next step with StormQuant.